Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to change your Google password or like recover it in case you forgot your password for security purposes or whatever. And this works on iPhone, Samsung, Android, everything. So what you want to do is go into your Google, and as you can see, you can just go on Google, and on the top right it says my ID. Click on that. Then you can see underneath your ID it says manage your Google account. Click on that. Then you can see here personal info, home, data, privacy, or this thing here. Click on personal info. Go all the way down, keep going until you see password right here in this section here. So what you want to do is click on it. Then it says here either new password or what's your password. So what you want to do is, if it brings up another screen, just click forgot password and it'll automatically do this. So just click on forgot password and you can see new password. So just type in your new password, then click change password, and yeah, it'll be done. So I'll just do that for you right now, and I'm now done. So then click change password. Oh my god, 1 second, I'll be back once again. Okay, I think it'll work now. So yeah, click that. As you can see, it says your password was changed. Then just click close. Or yeah, and now your Google account password is changed. So I hope that helps. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped you out. And yeah, give a thumbs up, and bye guys.